In this video, I'll show you how to test Stripe payments. First, sign into your Stripe account and open the Stripe dashboard. Depending on your version of Stripe, you may have access to a sandbox or other testing features that let you simulate payments without using real money. Next, go to the Payment Links section. One of the easiest ways to test Stripe payments is by creating a test payment link. Click Create Payment Link, add a product if needed, and generate the link. After that, open the payment link in a new browser tab. This allows you to experience the checkout process just like a customer would. Now, complete a test payment using Stripe's test payment details. This lets you verify that the payment flow is working correctly without processing a real charge. Once the payment is submitted, return to the Stripe dashboard and review the payment activity. You should be able to confirm whether the test transaction was successful. Next, test the payment link on different devices or browsers if you'd like to make sure the checkout experience works properly for your customers. Finally, review the results and make any necessary changes before creating and sharing a live payment link for real payments. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to test Stripe payments. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.